Today, as I promised, I'm going to be revealing all the birthday gifts that I have got, and I'm going to show you all that I have gifted myself and others have also gifted myself. So this video is all going to be about cute gifts that I have got, and it gives me immense joy to share all these gifts and to show it to you guys. In no way am I trying to do show off. Whatever I have got, I am just trying to thank everyone and just showing what all I have got. So yeah, if you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, if you are watching this face for the first time, then a warm welcome to my channel. Please subscribe as I come with new videos for you guys every week. So let's get started. I like the concept of self-gifting because of course others will give you gifts and that's normal, but I feel like if you really love yourself and it's your big day, there's no shame in gifting yourself one or two things, and I plan it ahead. So this year, because I have started my YouTube channel, I wanted to invest in it, and the first thing that I gifted myself is this camera. Yeah, this finally the secret is out. I have got this in the month of October actually, but I haven't really shown you guys because I saved it for this video. So this is the Canon G7X Mark II camera. My first camera. As you can see, it is quite portable, like very chotu size, so you don't have to carry the big bulky DSLR. This is good for vlogging. If I'm making travel vlogs and all, this is quite handy. And this actually comes with this pouch, and inside this pouch you will get the charging thing, like the adapter and the cable. The cable I think I have kept somewhere. So these are the things that you will get with the camera. And yeah, this is a really cute and nice camera, and the best part about this camera is the autofocus is very good. It has a flip screen, as you can see. It has a flip screen like this, so you can see yourself when you are making a vlog, which is very handy for a person like me. And some part of the birthday vlog which you haven't checked, if you haven't checked, I will link it up on the cards as well as in the description box, was shot on this camera only. So yeah, so that's the first thing that I gifted myself. And to go along with it, I also got a tripod. This tripod is from the brand called Manfrotto, and this is a very good portable tripod. I really like it. The quality is very sturdy and it is quite affordable. So as you can see, it has a thing here, like a screw kind of a thing. So the camera also has a button, like a hole here. So you have to just fix it like this and then you can shoot. So this will give you better like stability of the image or video, whatever you are shooting. And this is very handy as it is chotu. It will go with like easily in your bags and all. And this is very good quality. I got it from Amazon, I think around 1700 or so, but this is a good investment, and I will link it everything, all the products that you see in the video in the description box. So that's the second thing. And to go along with it, you can fix the camera directly on this, but if you are shooting with your phone, you can't fix your phone directly on it. So you need a phone holder, and I did not have one, so I got one. This is from the brand called Slowik. This is also from Amazon, and this is very good quality. Again, as you can see, it has holes here, so you can put it like this and you can attach your phone with it while you're shooting with your phone. And this one is around I think 300 or something, so quite affordable and good quality. So all these equipments I got for my birthday that I gifted myself. Now let's move on to the gifts that others have given me. So the first thing is I'll go into what my dad gifted me. My dad gifted me a book that is by Jeffrey Archer. I still haven't started reading it because I was reading some other books. So yeah, actually I've got a lot of books this year, which I'm grateful because I love reading. So that's the first thing he gave me. The second thing that he gave me is a blanket. Like it's a very light and a very soft and a very nice blanket. But the reason I really like it is because, as you can see, it's a Winnie the Pooh blanket, and I am still a child at heart. So when I saw this on my bed lying, I felt very happy. When I returned and I saw this, I was very happy. So I don't know where he got this from and what is the MRP. I will ask him, but I am not really aware. So, but yeah, this is the second thing that I got. And so these the gifts from my family. Other than that, let me now move on to the gifts which were given to me by my friends. So the first thing that I can see here is this JBL speaker. This my friend Ananya gifted me. I really wanted a portable speaker because I didn't have one and I wanted to listen to music. One of my friends had the same thing, so I thought why not this, and so she gifted me this. And this comes with a thing. Yeah, this comes with this charging cable. You can use it, and this is not waterproof, but the sound quality I would say is good. The only problem is the bass is not that good, but yeah, like I really like it, and the color I chose, so I really like it. So thank you for that. The next thing that I got is, oh my god, guys, is this baby. Now what you may think, this comes so nicely packed that I was really impressed with the packaging. First of all, it has a box like this. Inside this you will get a portable, like a carry on bag like this. And what is this? I'll show you. This is a adapter, like a travel adapter. So if you are flying international, you will need all these things because different countries will have different plug points, and I am somebody who is into traveling, so you will see a lot of gifts which are focused on traveling because my friends know how much I am into traveling. So that's why I got this universal adapter. This was gifted to me by Ishani, so thank you for that. This is really handy, and whenever I'm taking my international flight, I hope we are together, like we are flying together, else I will surely carry this and remember you. So thank you. The next thing that I can see is, okay, now coming to traveling, I got these things. These are okay, this one, as you can see, are luggage tags. So I have got like 1, 2 and 3 luggage tags, and these luggage tags are so cute. If you put it on your luggage while you're checking in your luggage in the airport, I'm sure you will not lose your luggage, and even if you lose it, this will come in handy, and I love luggage tags. So thank you for this. All 3 she gifted in a pack. And the next thing she gifted is this bottle. Now it's a portable travel bottle, but it's not just a regular bottle. It's a different kind of a bottle. I'll show you. That means it has like you can open this, and inside it you can carry small 3 bottles in which you can put anything, like you can put any kind of a liquid. Now this is a leak proof container, so when you are traveling especially in a long international flight, because of air pressure your liquids can spill out and spoil your clothes, so this will definitely come in handy. This was gifted to me, this as well as this luggage tags were gifted to me by my friend Shivoli, so thank you for that. And she actually came herself to deliver it to my house, so that's really sweet, and thanks a lot for that. The next thing that I can see is, okay, I'll go with this. This one is gifted to me by another friend. I have shown this in my birthday vlog if I'm not wrong. I haven't opened it because it's packed perfectly and I don't want to open it right now. This is a USB fairy lights. So basically it's like a normal fairy light, but when you connect it with any phone charger, it will glow up. So it's very easy to install, and I also have a similar one on my mirror for Diwali. So I wanted this, so I got another one of this, and more the fairy lights, the more happy I feel. So thank you for this. The next thing that I can find is this shower gel. This is a Bath and Body Works shower gel. This I have shown in my Nykaa haul, and this I gifted myself because I got it specifically for my birthday, but during the Nykaa haul I will again link that video up. So I had got this. This is personal gift, like from me to me. So that's the thing. Other than that, what I have got, okay. Other than that, I can find a book. This my friend Akashdeep has gifted me. It's just The Courage to Be Disliked. I'm still reading it. It's a little philosophical, I would say. He gifted me one more book, which is Mozart. That same book was gifted to me by my friend Mohor also. So I have got 2 similar books. So I have gifted one of that to my friend Ishani. She also is into reading. Thinking like, where is that book Mozart? That book is actually currently, one of them I have already given to my friend Shani. She wanted to read it, and the same book, since I have got two of it, one of them my dad took, so currently he is reading that. After he is done, only then I can start, and that's why I can't show you the book right now. But he gifted me two books. This one I have, and that other one, that Mozart. So two books from Akash Dev, and Mukul also gifted me that same book, Mozart. Okay. Other than that, I can find clothes. Okay, this one is a pair of jeans from H&M that my friend has gifted me, Shayantani. And as you can see, the tag is still on. The reason is because I went with her personally to shop and she gifted me this. The reason the tag is on is because I have to alter the length and I haven't got the time to alter it, so I haven't taken the tag off. But it's a good quality one. H&M plain blue jeans, high-waisted, like it's sorted. And she also gifted me a lingerie, but I'm not comfortable showing my underwear directly on the camera, so I'm not going to show that, but that is also very. So guys, I have got a small box of earrings from Amazon, which is a set of hoops, and it has different pearl hoops like you can see, and it also has a set of studs which are quite good for everyday wear, and I actually really like this small box. And this is quite affordable. Again, this is from Amazon, so I will link it down below, and it comes very nicely packed, so I really like it. I wore one of them, that is this one of them I wore on my birthday, so yeah, I really like the quality. And I'm somebody, as you can see, I'm currently also wearing hoops, and I love wearing hoops. That's why I got this pack of earrings. And gifted me a very pretty dress. This is a black color one-piece dress. This is the front side and this is the back side. It's knee length. I have worn it, and it's a lace black dress. I love black outfits. I still haven't worn it, means I have tried it and it fits like a dream. So thank you for this. It has a very good lining inside, so it is not transparent at all. And it is, I still haven't found the right occasion to wear this, but I really like it. And I know this is from Amazon because I only chose it. My friend only gifted me, so I will link this also in the description box. So thanks a lot for this. So these were all the physical gifts that I have got. Other than that, I have got, I have to thank each and every one of you for your wishes, starting from the midnight call to arranging a party. And my friend Mohor also gifted me the customized birthday cake, which was the first customized birthday cake of my life. So I will put a picture of the cake if you haven't seen it already in the birthday vlog. And other than that, arranging the whole party, starting from the midnight calls to so many lovely wishes, how much love you guys have shown to my videos. I want to thank everyone for all of that. So, and these were all the physical gifts that I have got. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.